Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I made this really simple masculine birthday card. My dad's birthday's coming up and I decided to make him a card, and this is what I came up with. I hope you enjoy, and let's get started. Okay, so for the base of the card I am using Crumb Cake, and this measures 5.5 by 8.5, and I scored it at 4 1/4 on the 8.5 inch side. So I already scored it, so I'm just going to burnish it. And then I'm going to use this. This is the brush metallic cardstock in copper, and this measures 5.5 by 3.5. And I'm just going to adhere this here on the card base with some glue. And then this is 2.5 by 5.5, and this is from the Gilded Autumn Specialty Designer Series paper. So I'm just gonna adhere this on there on the brush cardstock. Okay, and now for the sentiment, I used Happy Birthday from Blossoms and Bloom. And where is my paper at? Okay. So I just grabbed a scrap of Very Vanilla, and I'm just going to put my sentiment on here. Oops. And this is Early Espresso. Like that. And okay, now we are going to cut it out with this punch. I don't remember the name of this, but I'll put it in the description box below. And then with a piece of Cajun Craze, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to punch them out. And then cut this in half. And I'm going to adhere this on here like this, just to give it a border around it. Whoops. Should have done one by one. So if you recreate this card, just do one side at a time. And then you get that really neat border around it using the same punch. Okay, so now to finish off this card, I'm going to put some of this metallic thread. This is retired, but you can use whatever you have on hand. But I really wanted to use the copper to bring out the copper in here too. So I'm gonna put some adhesive in the middle. Oops, come on. And then I'm gonna make several loops. And now for the sentiment, I'm just gonna pop it up with some dimensionals. And there you have it, a very simple masculine card. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will talk to you later. Thank you. Bye.